Finding the right mechanical keyboard can be overwhelming, especially with so many options flooding the market. Many users end up choosing a keyboard that doesn't quite fit their needs, leading to frustration during gaming or typing sessions. Today, we'll compare 5 exceptional mechanical keyboards available in 2026, each offering unique features and benefits. Stick around to discover our top pick, the Womier SK80, which might just blow you away with its stunning design and superior performance. Remember, links in the description below for current prices, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. AULA F75 75% wireless mechanical keyboard. The AULA F75 75% wireless mechanical keyboard is a fantastic choice for those seeking a compact wireless solution without compromising on key functionality. Designed with gamers in mind, this keyboard features a sleek layout that saves desk space while still providing essential keys and a responsive typing experience. The customizable RGB backlighting allows users to personalize their setup, making it visually appealing during late-night gaming sessions. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 20 hours on a single charge, which is great for portability. However, some users might find the smaller key layout takes a bit of getting used to, especially if they are accustomed to full-sized keyboards. Razer BlackWidow V4X Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Razer BlackWidow V4X Mechanical Gaming Keyboard stands out with its renowned Razer green switches, providing tactile feedback and a satisfying click with each keystroke. This keyboard is perfect for gamers who thrive on precision and responsiveness, making it an excellent choice for competitive play. Its customizable chroma RGB lighting enhances both aesthetics and immersion, allowing you to sync your keyboard with in-game actions. The BlackWidow V4X also features a sturdy build quality, which ensures it can withstand the rigors of intense gaming. However, the keyboard's larger size may not suit those with limited desk space or who prefer a more minimalist setup. SteelSeries USB Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The SteelSeries USB Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard brings together the best of both worlds with its hybrid switches, offering a blend of mechanical and membrane technologies. This makes it an attractive option for gamers who want a quieter typing experience without sacrificing performance. The keyboard is equipped with customizable RGB illumination and comes with a comfortable wrist rest, enhancing long gaming sessions. Its onboard storage allows you to save custom settings directly onto the keyboard. While it excels in many areas, some users might prefer the distinct feel of fully mechanical switches, which this hybrid model may not fully deliver. Logitech G413 SE Full-Size Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G413 SE Full-Size Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is designed for those who want a reliable and affordable keyboard without sacrificing quality. Featuring Logitech's professional-grade mechanical switches, this keyboard delivers fantastic performance for both gaming and typing. The brushed aluminum top case provides durability, while the anti-ghosting technology ensures that every keystroke registers accurately, even during the most frantic gaming moments. Its full-size layout is ideal for users who need a comprehensive set of keys, including a number pad. However, the lack of customizable RGB lighting may disappoint some users who enjoy visual flair. Womier SK8075% Keyboard. The Womier SK8075% keyboard takes the crown for its stunning design and exceptional performance. This keyboard is perfect for gamers and typists who appreciate aesthetics and functionality. Its unique transparent casing allows the RGB lighting to shine through beautifully, creating a mesmerizing effect on your desk. The keyboard features hot swappable switches, enabling users to customize their typing experience effortlessly. With a compact layout, the SK80 saves desk space while maintaining essential keys. Additionally, the build quality is top-notch, ensuring longevity. While the higher price point may deter some budget-conscious buyers, the quality and experience it provides make it well worth the investment. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top 5 mechanical keyboards of 2026. Each of these selections offers unique features to cater to different user needs. Whether you're a gamer or someone who types for hours, remember, Investing in a quality keyboard can significantly enhance your overall experience. Don't forget to check the links in the description to find the perfect keyboard for you, and consider subscribing for more informative reviews and tech content.